today's edition, we're going to be making slime!
Oh
You heard it.
Oh my gosh.
Slime. So, right now, we're going to have Christy to start with our ingredients. What we got?
We got some saline solution, some food coloring, some baking soda, some glue, some glitter, some parchment paper, and some 1 tablespoon.
Okay guys, let's go ahead and get this slime making together. So we're going to go ahead and grab our glue and pour it all in a bowl. And also, if you want to have a little bit of color to it, you're going to add whatever color you want to add to your glue. Pour all it in the bowl.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh my God. So good. I love this. You gotta make sure you get all that glue. Oh, it's still good.
Get all that glue out.
Okay.
Alright, so y'all can add just some food coloring, whatever color you want. Go ahead and add it to your glue.
I'm gonna add. We got some yellow? No. Yeah. Wait, no. I don't think so. We have. Oh yeah, we do have yellow. Where is yellow? Wait. Oh, I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use yellow, green and yellow. I'm using green and yellow. I'm gonna use blue. I said open it.
Okay.
Christy, green and yellow make blue.
So open up your whichever you want. You don't need too much. Just want to color however.
Mommy.
These little drops.
I need paper towel. Yeah, it's okay, Cassie. It's okay.
All right, pour it all in there. You can probably, matter of fact, you can probably just pour it all in there. Just get what you need.
Wait, you gotta squeeze it. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
That's too much.
That's okay. That's okay. Hey, the more the merrier. Go ahead and pour it in there.
I want to add red.
Good job. Look at Kelsey. She's like, y'all. She said, hey, y'all taking too long for me. I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing.
I mean purple. I mean red. Okay.
That is amazing.
Oh my God, this looks so good. I like so much. Okay, now I'm gonna mix red. Oh my goodness, red. Whoa!
All right, guys. So while we are mixing that up a little bit, get some color consistency.
You need green? Okay. Here, get some green. Oh my God, that is so green. I love it. I can't open this cookie.
Now, y'all know Mama has to come through with the cleansing.
Oh, it's dark green. Mine is dark green. Yeah.
All right, y'all put y'all bowls on here for me, okay?
Okay. I still need a mix. I need still mix. I need another color. I need to add more red. You got a purple. You got a purple, Christy? No, there's no purple. There's no purple. Ooh! Wow. That's turning into like a purple. That's like a purple color. This is a green color. You like mine, Mommy? Mom, I didn't miss it.
All right, guys. So that's good enough. So let's go ahead and measure out our tablespoon
That looks so good.
of baking soda.
I love this color. I love this color. It's so beautiful. Yes. Yeah. You like mine?
Hey guys, guess
You
what?
like mine? I like your orange.
Guess what? We're getting our colors together. Don't forget we got some glitzy glitter.
Oh, I want glitzy glitter. I want a little bit yellow then. Okay. One drop of two drops. Here. I want some. Can I get? But the purple is taking over. There's no blue. There's no. Oh yeah, there's definitely.
Alright guys, I'm going to help you guys out with your baking soda. Okay?
I got to mix. Some more blue. Okay. Thank you, Mom. I made a lot. I want mine to be beautiful. It's all of these beautiful. Oh, mine's like a purple. I like mine to be purple. Purplish.
I need this.
I want to have more blue in there. Blue in there. Mix. And some red.
Okay, guys, so we got your baking soda. You mixing it up. Let's go ahead and get our saline
Green.
solution. Don't forget, we gotta get some glitter too.
Yeah. Mine's good to be also. It'll be yellow, orange, pink, blue, yellow, orange, pink, blue. I'm gonna add green and yellow and green and red. Ooh, green. Ooh, so good. What is red? I'm gonna use that one. Red. I'm using gold.
I need pink. I want pink.
And silver. I'm using green and red and white.
Hey, I want one. I'm getting
Oh! After this, wait, Mom, wait. Oh yeah. Gotta get a paper towel. Before I do that, I'm gonna go get a paper towel and like glitter in there first. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. We're just gonna add our saline in here.
No, it's on my hand.
It's okay. If that's how slime's supposed to be, you get it on your hands. Oh my God, it's on my hands. Okay. This come off. Yeah, it's ready. Said this come off.
Not ready.
Okay, I'm gonna add me some white. Cause I love me some Christmas colors.
All right, guys, you gotta stir. After you put your glitter in there, you guys gotta stir. Keep on stirring. Keep on stirring.
Okay, I'm gonna stir. Oh my God! It's forming into slime.
Yep. And then after you get it stirred really good, you're gonna use your hands.
Yeah.
It's gonna be sticky at first, y'all. It's gonna be sticky.
Can I use my hands
Keep
now?
on moving it. Use your spoon first. But you gotta keep on moving it around in your hand till it's no longer sticky.
Okay, I think I'm ready.
Hey, go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh my God! It's so cold. Mommy, you put that white stuff in there? Oh my gosh!
I've already put it. Go ahead and stir it up.
I can't even see the glitter anymore. It's like they're turning into slime. Oh my gosh, Mommy!
Keep on stirring. You gotta use your
Use
hands.
your hands. Ooh. It's just like ooh. Casey. Mommy, I'm done. Okay, put some more. Mommy, I'm done. Can I put some more? No, Ray, you gotta use your hands. Put some more. Whoa! Mommy, look at this. Oh my God, look at my hands. Look at my hands. Look at my hands. Oh my God.
All right, y'all just have fun with it.
Oh my gosh!
Okay, guys, was this fun or what?
Yes! I had so much fun, but Ray.
Let me see it stretch.
I didn't have so much fun. It was messed up. Hey, this is so good. Bro, you gotta keep mixing it and mixing. Look at me and Kelsey.
Did you put it in your mouth, bro?
No.
Why your mouth green?
Why am I green?